Hello, my name is David Smothers. I am a student in the Production of Digital Instruction Materials course at Arkansas Tech University. And today I'm going to show you how to use a website called Flippity.net to create a variety of different types of games. I'll go over here to google.com. I'm going to navigate to this website called Flippity.net. And once you get to Flippity.net, you're able to see a variety of different templates. These templates will open up in a Google Sheet, and once the template is open, you're able to make a copy of that template for yourself. And then there is a variety of items that you can change within the template to meet your needs of your students. I was going in and exploring these different templates myself before I began making this video, and I really liked two different ones, and I will be talking about those two different templates in this video. So one template that I liked was this template here called Flippity Board Game. I imagine using this with students to have an engaging activity within the classroom. The way that this game works is there are multiple players that can be input into the game. You can go in and you can customize those players if you want to, and then you can also go in and change each one of these individual squares. And I'll open this up in a minute and talk to you about that. The next one I liked was this Flippity matching game template. So the way I envisioned this one was using this kind of as a review for matching terms, or maybe even if it were like elementary level, matching shapes or colors or different type of interactive material like that. So I'm going to start with this template here, the Flippity board game. I'm going to come on here, I'm going to click instructions. When I click on instructions, I get a page, and it's just telling me how to use the template. It says make a copy of this template. Once you make a copy of the template, you can edit multiple things. So right here, I'm going to go make a copy. If you've ever worked with Google Sheets before, you know that you need to edit the name of your file. So I'm going to go in right here. And because this is a board game, my name is David Smothers. I'm going to name this Smothers Board Game. And one of the classes I teach is a class called Keystone. So I'm going to say Smothers Keystone Board Game. Okay. So, like I said, it opened up as a Google spreadsheet. There's multiple items here that you can change, and that all is how the board game is set up. Right? If we go back to kind of the template here, you've got these are spaces that you move. All right, and then right here in the center, it looks like there's a deck of cards with a question mark, kind of like a chance in Monopoly. So when you look here, it says card deck 1 and card deck 2. Those are those chance cards. You can go in and you can edit those. This is for your materials. Okay, I'm going to go back to that one more time. Your materials would be your pieces here. And then last, we'll talk about publishing your board game and what that looks like. So just for an example, I'm going to go in here to the board game portion. These are my pieces on the board itself. So if I wanted a red piece, I would key in red right here. If I wanted it to be purple, I would key it in as purple. All right. But for the sake of time, I'm going to leave it as red. Actually, I want to show you that you can also, if you don't want to use colors, you could even go and add images. So let's make this the number one image. Okay, so I'm going to go to this website. I'm going to copy the link address to this image, and instead of this place on the board being red, I want it to be this image, and instead of moving forward 6 places, I want to say a command. So move forward 6 spaces is also a command. So instead of a command, because we already have several commands, I'm going to give it a challenge. Okay, so I'm going to type challenge in here. Challenge. If you can successfully hold your breath for 30 seconds, move forward 10 spaces. Okay, so now once I publish this, what I should be able to see is the first space on the board will be a 1, and when I land on that and click the eye icon, the information icon, I should be issued a challenge. Okay. Card deck here, there's a variety of different things that I can link my cards to. So I could use any particular type of website to link this to if I wanted to. So, for example, this board game is being used for a class that I teach that I call Keystone, or that is called Keystone. In Keystone, one of the things we do is we research different careers. So I'm gonna make this card. Congratulations, you have been awarded the career of registered nurse. Move forward 5 spaces. And then now I'm going to provide the link for a registered nurse. So I'm going to go to BLS.gov, registered nurse. And then now there is a link to the career outlook of registered nurses. So over here, I've got that. All right, card deck 2, same thing. You can go in and you can change multiple things. I don't have anything in here right now, therefore there will only be one card deck on the board. The same thing here, tokens. I could go in and I could change this from just a red puzzle piece to a dog if I wanted to. I'm not going to do that for the second time. All right, to make all of this make sense, because right now it's just a spreadsheet. To make all of this make sense, we go to File, we go to Publish, which is in Share, and we publish this to the web. All right, once we publish this board game will generate a website for us to follow, a link for us to follow to a website, and we can see the things that we created. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this link, exit out. Even though I copied it, it's there for me, so I'm just going to follow that link. And here, I'm not seeing my number 1. That image link must be invalid, but when I click here, I should be able to see my instructions. Okay, challenge: if you can successfully hold your breath for 30 seconds, move forward 10 spaces. So there should also be an image here. By testing this out, I see that image isn't working. I would go in and I would edit this link to a different number 1. As you can see, there's multiple things here that you can edit, and there's a variety of ways that you can challenge your students to have fun. So seems like a great resource to use in the classroom if you're looking for an engaging activity to do with your students. All right, so that's going to be it for this video. Hopefully it was beneficial. And if you have any questions, just reach out to me. Thank you.